Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoTime Reviews. Today we're diving into the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox, a compact SUV that's been a favorite for years, now refreshed with new design touches, better tech, and more efficiency. If you're shopping for a smart, family-friendly crossover, this one's worth a serious look. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Equinox comes with a bolder, more athletic stance. You'll notice sharper lines, a wider grille, and sleek LED lighting that gives it a more upscale presence. Chevy's updated the front fascia to give the Equinox a more confident look, and depending on the trim, you can get blacked-out accents or 19-inch alloy wheels for a sportier vibe. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers 175 horsepower. It's not a rocket ship, but it's responsive enough for daily driving, highway cruising, and weekend road trips. Fuel economy is solid too, around 30 mpg combined, which makes it a smart choice for those watching fuel costs. Front wheel drive comes standard, but all-wheel drive is available for those who need extra traction. Inside, the Equinox really steps up its game. The redesigned cabin features a new 11-inch infotainment touchscreen paired with an 8-inch digital instrument cluster. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Chevy's new voice command system is more intuitive than ever. The Senate materials feel premium for the segment, especially in the RS and Premier trims, and there's plenty of room for passengers and cargo, up to 63.9 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. Safety-wise, Chevy packs in its standard Chevy Safety Assist suite, which includes automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and more. Higher trims offer adaptive cruise control, a surround view camera, and even a head-up display. What makes the 2025 Equinox stand out is its balance. It's not the flashiest or most powerful SUV out there, but it delivers great tech, comfort, and safety in a package that starts at just around $29,000. That's competitive pricing, especially when you factor in the updated features and styling. Whether you're a commuter, a small family, or just looking for a dependable crossover, the new Equinox checks a lot of boxes. Chevy didn't reinvent the wheel. They just made it better. That's it for today's review on AutoTime Reviews. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, because next up, we're diving into a full review of the all-new 2025 Toyota Camry. You don't want to miss it.